me what you made. You go first. Tell me a little bit about them. And what did you make them out of?
Well, I have no idea what they're called. Connect.
Okay.
Here's a huge one. This one can't spin.
This video is not sponsored by Connect.
No. What's that one
Higher
called?
one.
Okay.
Have one that he made. It's the green one. Here's the red one, my favorite.
So, whoops, that one broke. So there are a bunch of different designs you've got. Is that what I'm hearing?
Yes.
A lot of different designs.
And you can take them apart.
You can take them apart and build new ones.
Like, I can make
Little
this one
tire.
like super cool by
And guess
like
what?
taking it apart.
They're a little hard to take
Yeah,
apart.
you can focus on them while taking it apart. I'll tell you.
Okay, tell me what you were gonna say.
I have one here, and I can do this.
Ooh, regular fidgets can't do that, can they?
Kind of.
Can they?
Kind of.
What do you have back here, young man?
I have this kind of fidget. It's different.
What's it called? Razor blade fidget?
Yeah. And I've this kind. My favorite.
What's your favorite one? Why's it your favorite?
Because it looks like this.
Okay.
It can spin.
Kind of looks like a snowflake.
It is. Here's another one. It looks like this. It looks so cool.
It looks cool when it's spinning.
Yeah, it looks like it's green on the outside and white in the end.
Uh-huh.
It is.
So you're readjusting your
And
fidget right
here's-
now?
Yeah.
Building a new one? Okay.
Here's a big one.
Oh, that's a jumbo tire
it
one.
doesn't work.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, not that way.
Baby tire.
Was there like a book or something that you followed the plans for this?
Nope.
We just randomly did
here's
that.
the cool.
Here's
the square
my
one
second
that
one
I
that I
made.
like.
It's red.
This is the second one that I like. You're the green one.
So far, I made it like this, which looks cool, but I'm not done.
I made that yellow one, but I gave it to him.
Oh, that was nice. of you.
Next, here's my last.
Ooh, that one's got lots of pieces on
And
it.
it's weird because it. goes
Whoa!
like
An explosion!
that. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to do.
Oh, it is.
So I readjusted my fidget to turn into this, which is kind of like Packer colors. So
Oh,
if you're a Packers fan, you want this.
what if you're not a Packers fan?
You don't want it. Maybe you should buy a different color.
Oh, I see. Well, that's
Us.
pretty cool. Fidgets,
it from us.
Fidgets? Fidgets out of Kinetics. That's pretty
It's
creative.
not Kinetics, it's Connect.
Connects. Good job, boys.